Redmi has always been a pioneer in revolutionizing technology. We were at the helm of ushering in the 4G revolution, and we are at it once again to bring in the 5G revolution. With Redmi 12 5G you get Snapdragon 4 Gen 2, 4 nanometers process technology for increased power efficiency. It also features AX61 5G modem and up to 2.5 gigabits per second speed. On the Redmi 12 5G you get a flagship experience with the all-new crystal glass design. At just 8.17mm slim, it lends the device a great hand feel. It's available in 3 incredible colors: Moonstone Silver, Jade Black, and Pastel Blue. A big 90Hz 17.2 cm, 6.79 FHD Plus display lets you experience your entertainment at its very best. The intelligent refresh rate switches between 30Hz/48Hz/60Hz/90Hz as per the need of the content for a smooth and power-efficient experience. Redmi 12 5G features a massive 5000 mAh battery that lets nothing interrupt you all day long and 18W fast charging support with Type-C charger. Side fingerprint scanner 3.5mm. Headphone jack. IR blaster 18W Type-C. Charging hybrid. SIM slot.